This is going to be a video review of the 4-inch jigsaw blade, 10 teeth per inch, that you can pick up at Harbor Freight or just about any place. This cut's on the reverse, which should mean that you get a cleaner cut. 10 teeth per inch TPI would mean a cleaner cut. I was looking for like a 20 TPI, but they didn't have it. So I'm going to be doing a review of this, and I'm also going to be adding this to a review of what cuts a piece of lumber better, a pull saw, which you see over here that I just did a review on, or the jigsaw. And then I'm going to be putting a circular saw to the test also. I just installed a 140 teeth circular blade, so we're going to find out which one of these is easier and does a cleaner cut. We're going to be cutting with the jigsaw now. The difference between the handsaw and the jigsaw, obviously you've got power and you have more risk of hurting yourself, having kickback on the blade, and let's see what it does. So we're going to be using this brand new blade from Harbor Freight, and this is not a... be easier for me if I was more on the shoe, but I'm not, and this is not clamped down that good. So let's see what it does. See how accurate. Might help if I plug the saw in. Yes, that could help. Oh, that was kicking all over the place. All right. So what I did is that was the side that was already cut. So this is the new side. Very smooth, very smooth. Not perfectly flat like the pull saw, but 99% flat. Extremely smooth. Edges a little rough. And let's see what we have on the other side. So that's the other side. Extremely smooth. Very smooth. So this is the pull saw. Absolutely perfect. And this is the jigsaw. I would also say absolutely perfect. So the difference between the pull saw and the jigsaw, a lot of kicking on this. You definitely need to be careful, very quick. No kicking on this, and you don't have to be careful, you just have to expect it's going to take you forever to do. So now I'm going to do that on a circular saw.